everybody, we are back. It is another year, and after we finished our travel series, right after, we are here with our YesStyle advent calendar. A tradition, it seems. This is my second advent calendar in life, disregarding all the $2 chocolate ones that I had in my life. And we always love to come back and see Miss YesStyle here, cause look how huge and heavy she is. As always, I'm living my Zoella dreams, and it always happens on my birth month, so happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tina. You know, it's just a little surprise for the birthday. It's a little surprise for the birthday, it's a little surprise for you if you're tuning into it for Christmas. And it's also, you know, just a nice gift to come around after we finally finish our travel series. This theme around, she is pink, which we love. Last year, it was Winter Wonderland theme. This year, we have our Christmas capsule theme. She's pink for Christmas this year, as it should. Because for this 2024, they are getting into the capsule theme. Capsule toys. And you know what, if you couldn't tell, by the people behind me, I love a blind box. I love a capsule toy. And today we will be unboxing each and every day to take a quick little look. And all the timestamps for each day that we open up, including its products that are within each day. The links for all of that and timestamps will be in the description. However, if you don't want that spoiler and you want to tune into her yourself, use my rewards code Use my rewards code Tran for a discount. As always, there are full-size products in each day, and altogether 24 days, totaling to over $500 USD, babe. However, the retail price for this is $165, so not over a $300 discount for full-size K-beauty products of skincare and makeup. The pre-order date is September 24th for gold and silver members. However, the official launch date for her, for everybody, is October 15th. But for me, it's right now, babe. Happy birthday. Let's get into it. Listen, y'all, they always have these cute-ass boxes. I kept it. Listen, I kept my Winter Wonderland one, and I be using her. Sold by Me eye cream I got last year. Still using her. She be lasting, and I use her every time. I even used her 1 hour ago after I took a shower. It's been under my eyes. My cleansing balm, I'm using her right now. She's literally in the washroom. So let's see what we have in store here. Just a cute little pink box, cupcake theme, capsule theme. It really reminds me of Mario Party, the cake map. Number 1 looks huge, so I'm feeling like that's the intended last day. So we're gonna do a countdown and start with 24. Let's open her up, everyone. Wow, the doors. Let's start off with number 24. Christmas tree. Oh, here we have our candy berry ice cream palette. 9 sweet shades. Dasique. Dasique. We're loving the cake theme here. A sweet color like ice cream. Should we swatch one? Yeah. 23. We have here numbuzin. Vitamin concentrated serum. Brightening antioxidant. What's your number? There it is, y'all. And moving on to number 22. She's a little lollipop. Oh my gosh. Here we have Nuse Care Liptual. Beautiful. Oh my god, it opens like a rose. Oh, what? Oh. Okay. Should we put it on? We'll just do a little. Do a little dab because I'm probably gonna give this to my sister. Do you see it? Did I stain myself? 21. Huge. Abib eye patch. My sister is gonna be shook. My sister used a heart leaf face mask from Abib all the time. She also uses eye patches that she ran out of. So she's gonna be shook when she sees this. And I'll probably give it to her. Oh, she's gonna be shook. She's gonna be shook. And that's the thing. Yeah, she's gonna be shook. If you can see the eye patches here. My sister uses this like it's no joke, babe. Not the Jericho rose jelly specifically, but a different one. We have our Abib collagen eye patch. Jericho rose jelly. That's how you pronounce it. 20. Here we have Dear Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Serum. After sun care. That's what the girls need. I needed this in Vietnam. Where was she? She is everywhere. Like, that packaging, recognizable. We love a little calming cream. You don't know me. I turn red. And under the sun, I burn. I do not tan, I burn. So we'll be keeping her tight. Next is 19. And my sister's gonna be shook. Literally every brand I pull out, I'm like, my sister's gonna be shook. Here we have Rom and the Universe Liquid Glitter. Oh, liquid glitter, wow. One thing about Rom and my sister, when we're in Korea, when we're in Olive Young specifically, she is pulling every ramen thing off the shelf. Like, she is barely reading it. She's just pulling it off the shelf into the basket. Next is number 18. Here we have Mixsoon Bean Essence. We apply it evenly all over our face and neck to absorb it. She's looking a little expensive. I'm guessing it's like a little ampule. We love. And you know what? We'll be using. And next is number 17. Where is it? And what are we gonna say, everybody? Who's gonna be shook? My sister. Oh my god, this is crazy. We have here the ETUDE Overglow Glowy Tint Bambi Cherry. Oh my gosh, like, the packaging? She's gonna be shook. She's gonna be shook. My sister is gonna be shook. Because if you couldn't tell, I'm not a makeup girl. Number 16, she's a huge one. I'm thinking it's skincare, everyone. Oh, that's huge. Medicube Night Care Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. Okay. Oh, okay. Now, one thing about me is, you know, I love a night mask because I am a nighttime shower girl, not a morning time shower girl. Moving on to number 15. VT Cosmetics, everyone. Here we have our VT Moisture Powder. Powder? You learn something new every day. If you've been tuning into my YesStyle journey, one of my very first YesStyle videos, I believe, had VT Cosmetics. Why? Because BTS collabs with them. Had a partnership with them. So that's how I knew of VT Cosmetics. And moving on to number 14. She is a huge one. And here it is, everybody. This is what we needed. A cleansing foam. Here we have Mung Bean pH Balance Cleansing Foam. Yes, yes. I get into the cleansing products from YesStyle. My entire skincare routine has started from YesStyle, shaped from YesStyle, babe. I always have a cleansing oil that I got from YesStyle, that I discovered from YesStyle, and then a cleansing gel from YesStyle. Now I'm using a cleansing balm from YesStyle. Here we have a cleansing foam for when I run out of the cleansing balm. She will be part of that step because I always do cleansing oil, then cleansing gel, or balm, or foam. So here she is. Thank you, Miss YesStyle, for keeping her skin up to par. And next we are at 13. So eyeliner pencil here. Look at this design, so cute. And I knew we were gonna have an eye pencil. Here we have Holika Smooth Lasting Brush Liner. Oh, and who am I gonna reference again? My sister, babe. Because in Korea, she was on the hunt for a brown eyeliner. So she would be grateful. You know what? Miss YesStyle, she comes together for the family. For the Tran, for the Tran sisters. And moving on to 12, which is right above 13. And here we have it. She comes for me. She is always here to support me. And who is it? Sewn by Me. Sewn by Me Super Miracle Spot All Kill Cream. And as you know, as I said, been using the Sewn by Me eye cream from last year's advent calendar, and now I'll be using her. This is a spot cream, but instead we have a spot cream. So a 2-in-1 Sewn by Me. I love Sewn by Me. And Miss YesStyle, she's always got my back for Sewn by Me. Thank you. And let me tell you, if this was a sample, she would be gone. But this is full size, and I've been using the Sewn by Me one for a year, and she's still lasting. So you'll probably see her, you'll probably hear mention of her next year. Next, we'll be moving on to 11. Collagen Reforming Contour Stick. Okay. Y'all, with this advent calendar, my sister's got her a whole makeup routine for her, and I got a whole skincare routine Just on this advent calendar alone. We're not even done opening her yet. What's going on here? Alright, moving on to 10. Wait. How do I know this brand? Anua. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I do know this brand. My sister's bought in Korea. Here we have Anua Niacinamide Serum. She's a reader. Moving on to number 9. It's looking like a palette. Here we have Lily by Red. Love Bean Blur Cheek. Blush. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful, y'all. The packaging is beautiful. Moving on to number 8. Here we have Belith Moisturizing Eye Balm. Yes. For fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, yes. And just like that, I'll be using it. Because as I said in the last video, I always heart blink like this. Because of playing on my phone in the nighttime during Corona season. So I do have wrinkles like in the corner of my eye here. I also have, so I'll be tuning into this after my Home by Me one finishes up. YesStyle's got my skincare routine lined up, y'all. That if it wasn't for YesStyle, I wouldn't have any skincare routine at all. Moving on to number 7. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, the packaging? Here we have Unleashia Mood Shower Face Palette. Sensational colors pour like rain, creating a look that exudes a mood you want to remember in every moment. Oh, shade that. Let's open her up together. I'm a little scared. Oh. This packaging. Mood moment, sensuous colors, multi-use texture, vegan and cruelty-free. Oh yes, we do know this brand. It looks familiar. Ready, everybody? The reveal. Yes! Another pink palette in which we love. Oh shit! Oh shit! Well, sorry to her. Next is number 6, and she's a huge one. I'm excited. Yes, just as we need. Estura Cream, Atoll Barrier 360 Cream. Moisturizing cream with strengthening skin barrier for dry and sensitive skin. And just as we need it, because we were missing, I believe, a moisturizing step for our skincare routine. So here it is. Put it on the dry edges of my nose. We love a moisturizing cream. Hopefully that was face cream and not hand cream, right? Moving on to our 5-day countdown, everyone. Christmas is nearing. Yup, and here we have it. Round Lab Moisturizing Sun Stick. As you know, past Korea trip, my sister bought 5 sun creams, Round Lab sunscreen creams. I bought 1, and I always use a sun stick to reapply throughout the day. But it was a different brand. Now we have her, and this is crazy and insane. I'm telling y'all, YesStyle streamlines it together. Our whole routine in here. My sister and I use this brand because from all the sunscreen brands that we tried so far, especially those that are popular that we got in Korea, usually have white cast, including Japanese ones. This brand, however, has minimal white cast, and we love. So this will be my reapply throughout the day after I use the initial one, the cream one version, in the morning. And now we'll be moving on to number 4. Here we have McQueen New York Extreme Long Lash. So I believe it's a mascara. Beautiful. As you know, my eyelashes are a little funky. You can't see them. Well, probably because I don't have any, but it's because mine bends down. See that? So I don't know if a mascara is gonna help me. Y'all let me know. What can I do about my eyelashes going downwards and not upwards? And the fact that it's very short and minimal in itself. But anyways, my sister will be loving this is what I was trying to say. Because I have no eyelashes. Next we're moving on to number 3, and I'm thinking it's a skincare. And I was right. Here we have Vita C Dark Spot Care Serum. Here we have Vita C, one of the very first brands that I found through YesStyle again. Because again, that's where I discovered skincare during COVID era. So this is exciting, especially because I know her and she is everywhere. In Toronto, in Korea, she's everywhere. To our second last day, number 2. Yes, yes, another brand that we know of. Peri Para Ink Glassing Lip Gloss. And my sister will be loving, because what everybody, yes, this is a brand that she's always seeking out in Korea. And last but not least, it is Christmas Day #1, the huge one in the front, everyone. Let's open her up. And there we have it. I spoiled myself for this one already, so I kind of knew what was coming up. Here we have Miss Tier. Miss Tier, she is rising on up these days. She's rising on up these days. We first discovered her, I believe, our second time going to Korea, so that was like last year or 2 years ago. My sister loves Tier, especially their foundation. And I know Tier has been entering the Canadian market as well, in which is super popular. Everybody loves. I could be wrong on my history of Tier's popularity, but just as I know of. So here we have literally a 2-in-1 Tier. So I'm just shocked. This is skincare though. My sister first dove into Tier, the makeup side. So I'll be diving in the skincare side. This is mine, yep. Here we have Tier Refresh and Glow Duo Cleansing Balm and Toner. And she's next in line after my other cleansing balm is finished. Yes. Here is their Hydro Boost Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Well, yes, you can't see anything because it's just white, because that's what a cleansing balm looks like. And here is the Milk Skin Toner. Refreshing skin. Looks like milk, because I think it is rice water. Rice bran extract. Love. And we literally have, for our Christmas Day, a 2-in-1. A 2-in-1. 2 things in one. We love. Which is literally step-by-step skincare routine. And everybody, that is our last day of our 2024 Christmas Capsule Advent Calendar. Clap it up. Again, if you want to tune into her, just for the surprise of it all. Like, the products themselves are really good, but also if you're kind of new to the K-beauty scene, or just a skincare scene or makeup scene yourself, this I think would be a good starter for the festivities, the Christmas time. Would be a good starter to start your skincare journey and explore the different products, especially since it's from well-known brands, and these are full products, so it will last you for more than a year, babe. And these are well-known brands, trusted brands, reliable brands, cruelty-free as well in here. The link to all the products below will be in the description, but importantly, the link to this will also be in the description if you want to tune into her. And as always, use reward code Tran for a discount, which is $165, which is already a discount, because that's the retailing price, but the actual value of it is over $500. So, discount on top of discount. For gold and silver members, this will be releasing on September 24th, which could be today, depending on when I post it, today or tomorrow. But for all members or guests to YesStyle, this will be releasing on October 15th. But for me, what? I already have it. Happy birthday, Tina! Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Thank you so much to YesStyle, as always. Merry Christmas, YesStyle. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And for the next Advent calendar, maybe next year. Bye!
This is more than a crash, more than a like, more than a laugh. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. This is more than a crash, more than a like, more than a laugh. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you.